Here is a brilliant question from past test papers on box and whisker diagram. We are given some information, and from the given constraints, we need to figure out the rest. The following box and whisker diagram shows the results of the weight of lizard eggs. L and U are the lower and upper quartiles respectively. The interquartile range is 20 grams, and there are no outliers in the result. Find the minimum possible value of U. Part B is find the minimum possible value of L. So we need to find the minimum possible value of U and also the minimum possible value of L. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is absolutely free and where we share solutions of some interesting questions with you. A learning platform where both of us contribute. Now, let's look into the basic concepts and get the solution of this very important question. So, what is given to us is interquartile range of 20 grams. So, what is interquartile range? It is the difference between the upper and the lower quartiles respectively. So, interquartile range, IQR we can write, is given to us as 20, and basically it is difference between U and L in this particular case. So that gives us one equation from where we can find one of them. Now, the other condition given to us is that there are no outliers in the result. Now, some of the students might know that how the limit of outlier is decided. So, outlier, how far a point from the upper quartile will be considered within or away from that cutoff for outlier. That is what you should know. And the cutoff is 1.5 times IQR interquartile range, right? So the cutoff is 1.5 IQR. Means that if the data point, the value of the data is within U upper quartile, U plus 1.5 IQR, then it is not an outlier. So that is the maximum limit it can go to. You get the whole idea, right? So that is equal to 75. Since 75 is not an outlier, you get the whole idea. 75 is not an outlier, right? There could be other points here also, which we don't know about, but we know at least 75 is not the outlier, and therefore the value of U is the minimal value which we are calculating, right? So it satisfies the other condition also, that minimum possible value of U. Very important to understand. Perfect. I mean, there could be 80 which will pass as not being an outlier. But from the given information, it is 75, right? So now it is simple. We can solve this particular equation. So we know 1.5 times IQR is 20 plus U is equal to 75. And therefore, U equals to 75 minus 15 times 2, which is 30. Makes sense. So, which is 45. So, we know what the value of U can be, minimum value of U can be, right? Now it's simple. From the first equation, we can find the minimum value of lower quartile L. So we are going to from here rearrange and find the value of L, bring it to the left side, and U, and bring 20 to the right side. And therefore, we get the value of L as 45 minus 20, or L is equal to 25. The units are in grams, so let's put grams here. Makes sense. So we got this value of U equals to 45 and L equals to 25. And the values are in grams. Makes sense? That is how we are going to solve this particular question. So I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.